In this quick tutorial, we're going to talk about how to bundle coaching, templates, and courses together so you can create a high-value offer for your audience and generate more revenue. If you're looking to sell multiple services but want to make it easy for your customers to understand, this is the video for you. First, let's talk about why bundling is such a great idea. When you combine coaching, templates, and courses, you're offering an all-in-one package that meets your audience's needs at different levels. It's a no-brainer for your customers, and it boosts the perceived value of your products. Now, to get started, you'll want to identify the key components that go into each of these areas. Coaching is your personalized support. Templates are tools to make their life easier, and courses are in-depth learning resources. Once you've got that, it's time to figure out how to combine them. The first step is defining the structure of your offer. You don't want to just throw everything together randomly. For example, if you're offering coaching, you could offer a certain number of one-on-one sessions as part of the bundle. For templates, include a set that directly complements the coaching, making it easier for clients to implement what they're learning. And for courses, make sure they dive deep into the same topics you're coaching on, but in a self-paced format. Next, you need to price the bundle in a way that makes sense for your audience. You want to make sure it's a deal, but also still profitable. A good rule of thumb is to offer a 20-30% discount when compared to buying each piece individually. This will help entice customers to go for the full bundle instead of just one component. The next step is marketing your bundle. You want to create a sense of urgency. Limited time offers or bonuses for early buyers are great tactics here. Plus, make sure you're highlighting the value your customers are getting by buying the bundle instead of individual components. For example, a free coaching session with the course or a bonus template with the coaching package is a great way to sweeten the deal. As for the software we'll be using in this video, it helps to streamline your sales process, organize your offers, and manage customer relationships. You'll be able to easily create and manage your coaching, templates, and courses all in one place. And for viewers of my channel, you can get an exclusive free trial of this software linked in the description below. If you want to follow along, grab the free trial and try it for yourself. Now, the key takeaway here is to remember that the goal of bundling, coaching, templates, and courses is to offer more value, simplify your customers' decisions, and make it easy for them to get everything they need in one place. By structuring it correctly, pricing it right, and marketing it effectively, you'll be able to create a compelling offer that your audience can't resist. To recap, define your offer clearly, make sure each component complements the others, price it with a good discount, and use effective marketing strategies to drive sales. And don't forget, the exclusive free trial for this software is in the description below, so take advantage of that if you want to follow along. That's it for today's quick guide. Thanks for watching.